wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this?
Hey everyone, it's Keshante Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so I feel like it's been a minute since I have done a review and I am back with a new review. So today I'm going to be reviewing some products from Temu. If you're not familiar with Temu, they are an online brand where you can find everything from makeup, fashion, hair accessories, electronics. They have it. So thankfully Temu sent me some items to review and I'm super excited because I have a lot of things to review for you guys today. So before we jump into this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and we're just gonna get started with this review. One thing about me, I absolutely love makeup. I love makeup, I love lashes. I am all about just beauty products. I work in the makeup industry, and so finding like really good quality products, I can tell the difference between something that's like really cheap and something that's like really good quality. And you know what I have found over the years just from working at like major makeup companies, more specifically like Ulta, I've learned that even though there are some brands that are super expensive, they don't always work and always do the job, and there are some brands who are least cost effective and they have amazing quality. So I'm just gonna do a little haul and just kind of tell you some of the things that I got. So first I want to start off with this Bronze and Sculptor palette. So this palette I was super excited for because I saw on Temu like it had really good reviews, and it comes with 12 shades. So you can use this as foundation. You can use this to sculpt your face. You can use this to set your under eye. Now I'm gonna insert a clip of me actually using the palette because I do have it on right now. What I can say about the quality is A1 on this. The powders picked up very well on the brush. They blended out very nicely. I actually brought something very similar a little while back, and it was actually around the same exact price as this, and the quality was horrible. It left my makeup looking very muddy, and so this was an awesome buy. And I want to say this one was probably about $10 to $12, which, come on, like you have Anastasia palettes that are like $40 and you only get 6 colors. You get 12 here. So this was a really good buy. Okay, so next I got some eyeshadow, and this is the Aromas palette. The colors in this palette was really pretty, and it just drew me to it. Now I haven't swatched it yet, but we're gonna go ahead and swatch that glittery shade. Oh my gosh, look how that just picks up on my hand. So like, honey, a cheap palette is not going to do that. You are going to get a lot of drift. Let's pick up another shade. Let's see, let's go with this one. Is called Eager, and I'm putting little to no pressure in swatching that. So let's try this one. Do you see that? Do you see those colors? So this is actually another really good buy that was least cost effective. The colors were really pretty in this. I feel like you can do a lot of daytime looks, a lot of nighttime. It's a romantic palette. Burgundies, neutral colors, very cool tone, but it is very pretty. That's another item that I got that I really liked. And guys, all of the items that I got will be listed below, and I'll also have a discount code for you guys where you can shop the items. Now if you're like me and you like color, lately I've been into like a lot of neutrals, but I do like color. So I picked up this palette. It's the Basin Diary. You get a lot of shadows. What I like about this is because Temu has the date that this palette was manufactured, and it also has the expiration on the back of this. So you don't get that with a lot of makeup. You'll get anywhere from 6 to 12 months with a palette, but this is all the colors that come in here. It's like, if you need a palette that's going to have like color, this is it, just because of the fact that it has everything, like every single rainbow color that you can think of it has. And it even has some neutrals where if you don't wear a lot of makeup, you can just play this palette up with just the simple colors. And then if you wanted to add like a slight little pop of shadow in there, you could. So this was another really awesome buy, I think, just for the price. All right, next I got some lashes, and these lashes are really, really pretty. So this is something that's going to be more of a simple, everyday, go to work kind of lash. For someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup or doesn't wear lashes often, these would be perfect because to me, they're kind of beginner lashes. They're not as dramatic as the ones that I have on. And you basically, you get 5 pairs of lashes, and I want to say this was probably like $2 or $3. Where are you gonna go and get that from? I like the style of them because they are made to shape your eye. So they start off very small in the beginning and then they get longer on the ends. So this one is another really good buy. And then I did forget to add that this Aromas palette came with a set of brushes. It came with a set of brushes, and I want to say this palette was probably like $5 or $6. And not only do you get a palette, you get brushes. There's a good amount of brushes in here. A beginner makeup artist and you don't have a whole lot of money and you just want to have some, you know, brushes that you can use. I feel like these are good brushes. I would invest in some that are a little bit more fluffy because I feel like this doesn't have that in it. The brushes that are in here for me look more like cut crease, eyeliner, eyebrows, foundation kind of things. But as for like that really good blending your eyeshadow to where it's seamless, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it's not in there. But it's still a great buy because you get brushes and a makeup palette for about $5. So the next thing that I got, I saw this, it's like a blush highlighter situation. And it's just really, really pretty. It looked elegant on the website. It has this beautiful Asian lady on the front. And the packaging is just so beautiful. When you open it up, it's weird though because it has an Asian lady on the front, but then it has like this Greek goddess on the inside of it. So I want to swatch this. Ooh, that is pretty. That is this is so gorgeous. So definitely gonna be a really beautiful color for the summer because it's got like that shimmery peachy kind of tone to it, and I feel like you can blend that out so pretty. So that's so far one of my favorite items. And then for the makeup category, the last thing that I got was some lashes. So I got 20 pairs of lashes for $12, I want to say. In this package, you basically get 10 pairs of lashes in different styles. And then of course, they did send another one. So you're basically gonna get 2 styles of each, which is gonna be 20 pairs of lashes. So I like the fact that they are, some of them are wispy, some of them look a lot like the lashes that you see in stores. So you get so many different varieties, different looks to be able to play with. And then the last thing that I got was some nails. So I got 3 styles of nails. Now, some of these nails, oh my gosh, they look like the ones that you can find online. So the first ones that I got these coffin style. They're actually pretty long. Now, they're going to come with the adhesives where you can put them on. They also come with a little cuticle pusher, and you get a nail file, so that's really nice. Get the nails. So the style of these are so pretty. I feel like you can reuse them. They're like the ones that I've seen by Kiss in stores. That's like almost $18. And the fact is, you can either use the adhesives or you can use glue with them, and you pretty much have a full set. I also got another pair. I just thought these were so beautiful. If you want more of a glammed up nail, these are super pretty because they have gold butterflies on them, and then they have the silver tips. Again, these are in the coffin styled. They're not as long as the first ones, but still, you also get some that have like little pearls. So guys, if you have not shopped Temu, you need to jump up on it because they have some of the most affordable items, and you just get a variety of things. And after I show you this last nail, I'm gonna tell you how much all of this stuff was. So the last ones that I got, these are pretty short. So if you're younger and you're not really into getting your nails done and you want something that's gonna look more natural and simplified but not super long, these are gorgeous because they are shorter. Again, all of these nails come with the adhesives and the cuticle pusher. And guys, for everything that I just showed you was only $50. Can you believe that? Only $50. So again, everything that I got is going to be listed below in the description bar. Don't forget to shop Temu. I think they are an amazing website with some really great prices. And that is it. That is all, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. I will see you in my next video. Bye.